The sine of an angle in standard position is 1/2, and the cosine of this angle is negative root 3 over 2. At which point does the terminal ray of the angle intersect with the unit circle? Now that's very important that it mentions unit circle because that means the radius is 1. Why do I care about that? Well, it talks about sine and it talks about cosine. And in AP Precalculus, when we talk about the sine of an angle, which I don't have, so I'll just call it theta, sine of theta is going to be the y coordinate over r. Also, and I'll write this out and get it out of the way, the cosine is going to be x over r like so. Now, why is that important? Well, sine theta is 1/2. Now, if r is 1, then that just means sine theta is y, because it's y over 1. And sine theta is also 1/2, which tells me that y is 1/2. Similarly, cos theta is x over r. Since r is 1, cos theta is x. Cos theta is also negative root 3 over 2. They want us to take this information and come over here and select the letter that seems to match this information. Well, this information gets me an x value and a y value, which means it's going to be a point. And that point is negative root 3 over 2, positive 1/2. And a point in the form of negative, positive is going to live in quadrant 2, which means K has got to be my guy. All right? So there you have it. Weird problem. So much fun, though.